will be doing another unboxing from Notino beauty box. So last time I unboxed the Mother's Day edition box, and now I'll be doing the summer box. So yeah, the last was the beauty box number 6, and this is the beauty box number 7. This actually beauty box was quite expensive, but I bought this for on sale, and it was expensive before the sale, and now we got a good deal. So I just bought like few items together with this one, and I did not get any freebie, unfortunately. So I had this bubble wrap and bought this set of paper. And this is the box for the Beach Ready number 7. So the box looks like this. It says Beach Ready Sun-Kissed Glaze for Endless Summer Day. So yep, the box is quite good looking, and now let's just continue checking unboxing this box and checks what's in this. And it looks like this. So it says POV, you're unboxing euphoric summer vibes. Nice. I like the blue color of this, and we get a 10% discount from them, which you can use this code Son of a Beach. If you want to buy some beauty box from Notino, you can use this promo code that they provided me, which I normally don't use. It's here and it's sealed. Let's remove the sticker and let me show you what's inside. Wow, this one looks expensive now. They just fell down. So now let's check it one by one. First, I got this Kerastase Blonde Absolute. This is some kind of cream oil, strengthening oil concentrate. It looks like this. So this is in 50 ml. Next we have this Sol Janeiro Rio Radiance perfume is so this is a fragrance, and this is in how many ml? 30 ml. It's still sealed. Next is we have some Oil Control Dry Touch Sun Gel Cream Ultralight 50++ from Eucerin, and this is in 5 ml. I think this is some sample which you cannot sell. This is made in Poland. It didn't say anything. This is ultralight. Okay, next, ooh, nice one. This one, we have nail polish from Gabriela Salvete 6 Gladius. This is long lasting enamel. I don't know what shade is this, but it looks like this, some kind of pinkish nude. Like this one is made of paper. Next we have from Clarins. This is exfoliating body scrub for smooth skin. This is in 30 ml. Next is we got some full of this aloe soothing sun cream from Cosar X. This is in 50 ml. Their popular sunscreen. Let's see how it looks like. This is in full size, which is good. I think the smallest I have is from the Eucerin. I don't know why it's not going. I broke the box. Just need to check them how it looks like. So it looks like this. Nice. Let's put it there. Next is we have this from Giorgio Armani perfume. It's in 15 ml. It's still in plastic and in a box, which is nice. This is kind of popular perfume. Next we have this Hawaiian Tropic Satin Protection. SPF 30 Ultra Radiance, and this is UVA UVB. This is in 100 ml. That's how it looks like. It's quite good. And this is the second to the last. This is Dermacol Self Tan Lotion. 6 hours. Okay. Nature Tan within 6 hour hydrating effect. This is in 200 ml. Just like this. It's nice. And this is the last one. We have this grayish thing here. This is from Lancaster makeup bag. That's cute color. This is some kind of like orange peachy color, not really orange. So yeah, I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This is the 10th. I got like 10 items from this box. I think I bought it for less than 30 euros and the original price was 37, which is good. Maybe I bought it for like 26. So yeah, plus the shipping fee. So yep, that's pretty all for today. I hope you enjoyed this video and the unboxing, and which is kind of good. I got a lot of SPF and perfume. I think most of these brands are expensive. That's why I actually purchased this. So yep, thank you so much for watching and stopping by. Hope you enjoy watching this video, and don't forget to like and subscribe. See you again in my next video. Ciao.